What's the meaning of blackbird? Blackbird. Blackbird.
Blackbird. Blackbird. Blackbird is a common name given to several species of birds with dark plumage. The most well-known is the Eurasian blackbird, which is found throughout Europe and Asia. Blackbirds are known for their distinctive song, which is often described as melodious. In many cultures, blackbirds are associated with mystery, magic, and even death. In Celtic mythology, the blackbird was considered a gateway between the physical world and the spirit realm. In some Native American traditions, the blackbird was believed to have healing powers. Overall, the blackbird holds different meanings across various cultures and contexts, but it generally symbolizes transformation, intuition, and spirituality.